everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we are going to talk about my PCOS journey. If you've been a follower since last year, I think you've watched my PCOS video. And actually, I didn't mean it to like blow up. And I'm actually surprised na a lot of you have been experiencing similar symptoms with PCOS. And I'm super duper happy to create another video kasi nag-blow up yung comment sections with that video. And a lot of you are asking me questions. So I decided to do a separate video. Para rin siyang Q&A video. Pero I'm just gonna scroll up the comment section dun sa first video ko. But if you haven't watched it, I will just put it somewhere in the screen where you can just click it and watch it after this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it's from Rowie Anastasio. I'm just gonna answer her question kasi medyo this is a little bit parang ito yung mas kinakatakot ng lahat, especially yung mga teenager. Sabi niya, "Hi Ate Ann, may sign and symptoms din daw siya na baka PCOS din siya. Nursing student din kasi medyo aware ako. Kakatakot kasi. Ask ko lang po kung chinek mismo yung private part. Like, lalagyan ng mga equipment sa private part, like speculum, ganun po." Okay, so my experience kasi, I went to the OB-GYN. First time ko yun mapacheck or first time ko masabi sa kanila na hindi pa ako dinadatnan or irregular ako. So, we did some tests. So, if ever naman na nakapagpa-check up ka na before, syempre, ang unang gagawin is blood test to check nga if okay yung hormones mo or ano ba dapat talaga yung cause ng PCOS mo. So, ayun, nag-blood test nga ako, test ako, chinek yung ovaries ko. So, meron kang dalawang choices kung saan ilalagay yung equipment. It's either sa vagina mismo or dun sa isa kung saan tayo nagja-jebs. Yun. You have two choices naman. It really depends on you. And marami rin namang itatanong yung doctor before gawin yung procedure. Ayun, depende talaga sa experience mo kung saan siya ilalagay. And you have the choice, hindi ka naman nila pipilitin kung saan mas ilalagay kasi I think you're getting same results either way. So, sabi ni Tiana, "Hi Ann, I just saw your video. Just quick question. Nung mga time na bumalik ka using Dian 35 pero wala kang periods for how many months, how did you decide when or what date to start again on taking pills?" My biggest mistake of treating my PCOS kasi namali yung schedule ko when I first consulted with my OB-GYN. It was an honest mistake of mine. Medyo, alam niyo yun, kasi parang medyo pressured ako. And parang gusto ko talaga siya gumaling agad. Parang mistaken ako with the schedule and when to take the pills. Umuulan guys, pasensya na. But anyway, with that, again, it will depend on your OB-GYN. Syempre, dapat magpapa-check up kayo. But for me, what my OB-GYN said is, binigyan niya ako ng Provera, niresetahan ka ng Provera, and guys, hindi nyo makukuha yung Provera unless may reseta ka. Kasi pampadugo siya. So, to take ko yung Provera for 10 days, tapos in any, or parang kung alin man within the 10 days na magka-period ako, doon ako magsa-start ng pills. So, I think I've never experienced na pag may PCOS ka, pagpipills ka agad. Kasi you really need to take Provera para mag-start ka mag-bleed or mag-start yung period mo. But I'm not really sure with anyone na nagpipills agad or nagjo-jump into pills agad. Yun, it really depends on your OB-GYN. But kasi with my experience, sabi niya, bili ako ng 10 pieces na Provera. So, inumin ko siya everyday. Doon sa span ng 10 days, if magka-period ka, go. Ditch the Provera, then start ka na with the pills. And then yun na yun, continuous na yun. Iinom ka 21 tablets and then pahinga ka within 7 days. And then, after 7 days, magkaroon ka man o hindi, with that 7 days, you need to finish yung pahinga 7 days. And then, tsaka ka magsa-start ng isang pack ng pills. Ito, this is from Annie. We're same po, irregular, oily face. Mag-a-ask lang po kung ano ang daily healthy diet na kinakain mo. Salamat po. Ako, I don't really maintain my diet kasi feeling ko, yun yung mali rin sa akin. Tinatry ko siyang gamutin with pills, pero hindi nga siya nare-regulate just because siguro mahilig ako sa fast food. But yeah, I will try again this year, and if hindi, I will jump into getting healthy. So, yan, mag-workout and babawasan yung fast food. So, I think step by step siya. I really want na gumaling. So, itatry ko siya. And if itatry ko healthy diet, I will just let you know, guys. I will create another video for that. This is from Samantha. So, a lot of you guys are asking on magkano po kaya ang budget para makapagpa-check up for PCOS. Okay, Before pandemic, we have a lot of OB-GYNs open, and syempre hindi siya ganun kadelikado since wala ngang pandemic that time. But this year, when COVID-19 hit our country, sobrang delikado lumabas. And actually, nakakatakot, nakakapraning. And alam naman natin na yung hospital or yung clinics are the most parang exposed with COVID kasi anyone can enter the building, so hindi mo alam. So, what I did, kasi nga takot akong lumabas, lalo na may mga bata akong kasama dito. So, ayun, nalaman ko yung dima.ph. So, I will put it in the screen. Okay, so Dima is a e-commerce platform or website siya where you can purchase contraceptives, wellness, or anything about reproductive health. So, it's very convenient and no judgment made or hindi ka i-judge when you're at the website. And I can actually feel it. So, it is a platform that can cater all your sexual needs. So, yun nga, mapa-PCOS or you just wanna be safe. And, yun nga, nung nag-stop nga ako nitong pandemic, hindi pa ako regular. So, syempre, takot ako lumabas. So, meron silang online consultation. So, dima.ph, meron siyang online consultation with an OB-GYN. So, hindi na kayo lalabas ng bahay, guys. Pinaka-safe is phone lang. Dito ko lang sa bahay, di ka lalabas. Tapos, re-resetahan ka niya, isasend niya sa email, and you'll pay her as well via online. So, very convenient kasi hindi ka na lalabas. Papakita mo na lang yung reseta mo sa pharmacist, then okay na. So, disclaimer lang, guys, Dima.ph is not a doctor, but a health expert. So, it does not intend to replace your health doctor, but they can just provide prescriptions sa in-house doctor nila. So, I've experienced with Dr. Christy. She's very kind. And, ayun, hindi mo feel na mahihiya magsabi kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Talagang, alam nyo, ma-feel mo na they're going to take care of you, na hindi ka nila judge. I suggest, guys, na if natatakot kayo magpa-check up, lumabas during this pandemic, I suggest you guys go to dima.ph. They also offer contraceptive pills for PCOS. And guys, nga pala, na-experience ko bumili sa kanila ng pills because of my PCOS. Kasi nga, yun yung nireseta sa akin ni Dr. Christy after booking Dima.ph. So yun, isasend nila sa email mo yung reseta, then punta ka sa Dima.ph, then orderin mo yung pills na nareseta sa'yo. Then pagdating dito, it's just look like a phone case na naka-brown envelope siya. Hindi ka mahihiya kung marami kayo sa bahay or just wanna be discreet na parang you just want this medication to be more private. Hindi mo mahahalata. Although dito sa amin, they know that I have PCOS. O nga pala guys, for Dima.ph, they offer Lysel and Cybele. They are European brands that are equivalent to commercial ones. So they are more affordable and mas safe. So guys, if you have questions regarding Dima or any of your health concerns, please visit their website and makita nyo sa facts nila or message Dima on Facebook so they can consult with you. And ayun, kasi ito lang naman ang sinashare ko sa inyo. Hindi naman ako OB-GYN, so hindi ko alam. But I'm just gonna share you my experience with PCOS and my experience with Dima. So guys, that's it for this video. And if you enjoyed watching, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And then don't forget to check out all my social media accounts down below. Then again, thank you so much. Bye!